Hello students. So in our last class we have solving problems from our chapter time. So I hope you are understanding that time is how precious in our life and how we have to calculate the time according to the sums or the questions understanding. So always solving a word problems, I just repeat it in all the videos. So you have to read the questions twice until you understand. If you are not understanding after reading 2 times, read it 3 times, 5 times, not a mistake. But we have to understand the problem, what the concept they are given and what the solution they are asking for us to find out, right? And also we have learned for 1 hour we have how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? For 1 hour how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. So for 1 minute how many seconds we have? We have 60 seconds. So for 1 hour we have 60 minutes. For 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, if we calculate, it is 3600. It is 3600 second for 60 minute. Again we have to multiply into 60 for how many hours? Okay, so to calculate these all we have solved in our word problem and we have understand some of the concept. Now we are going to next concept, addition and subtraction in the sum. So first question we have, so here we have add 1 hour 35 minutes, 2 hours 45 minutes. So we have to add 1 hour 35 minutes and 2 hour 45 minutes. So we know how we have to add, addition we know, right? And here you can notice that I have written hours separately, leaving some space, and minutes separately, so that it will avoid us confusion. So if you write 135 or 245, you may get confusion. So first let us add. First step we have to add. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So as always we write the ones digit present in ones place first and we give carry for the next. And again 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. So we got 80 minutes. Here 1 plus 2, it is 3. We got 3 hours 80 minutes. So students, here 3 hours 80 minutes we got, right? So here always minutes will come 60. So keep remember that 60 minutes will come. If exactly 60 comes, you can pass or you can forward, you can carry that 60 minutes to 1 hour, you can convert it. Now we have 80 minutes. So 80 can be written or taken as 60 plus 20 minutes. So 60 minutes where it is calculated as 1 hour. So this 1 hour I am converting into 60 minutes into 1 hour. So 3 hours will come 4 hours and 20 minutes is left out. So 20 minutes is not equal to 1 hour, where 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 60 minutes I have converted into hours, so that 3 hours become 4 hours and 20 minutes you can write as it is. So after adding 1 hour 35 minutes and 2 hour 45 minutes, we get 4 hours 20 minutes. So I hope you understood this. Always in the minutes solution whatever we get. So if it is getting exactly 60, 3 hours 60 minutes, if it gets, we can write just 4 hours. No need of mentioning 0 minutes or no minutes. Okay. If we get 65 minutes, convert 60 into 1 hour and 5 minutes you can just write. Okay, if below 60 minutes we get, so in the place of 80, if we get 55 minutes or 40 minutes, no need of converting it to hours, just we have to write it in the minutes. So we got 80 which is greater than 60, so reducing 60 and converting it into hours, and remaining that we have written. I hope you understood this. Let us solve some more question. So here is a one more question, subtraction. Subtract 2 hours 35 minutes from 3 hours 10 minutes. So here we have to subtract 2 hours 35 minutes because 2 hours 35 minutes is a smaller number than to 3 hours 10 minutes. So here, as I have written in the addition process, hours and minutes separately, same way I have written. Now here 0, 5, if I thought to take a carry, here I have just 1. So 1, again reducing, it will take a risk. So in that time, in addition, what we would do, we will take a carry. Here we should not do like that because here a clock time we are calculating. So here what you have to do, 3 hours 10 minutes is there, right? So this 1 hour, reduce 1 hour, it will become 2 hours. So if I forward or convert 1 hour to minutes, it will become 60 minutes. So here 70 minutes. Okay, now next step, 3 hours 70 minutes, sorry, not 3 hours, 2 hours, because 1 hour is converted. Again 2 hours 35 minutes. Now we can subtract. So from 0 to 5 we cannot subtract. So taking carry, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here I have 6 because 1 carry is given. From minute to minute we can give carry, but from hour to minute we cannot take carry and the sum will become wrong. So 6 minus 3 is 35. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the difference between, or if we subtract 235 minutes from 3 hours 10 minutes, we get just 35 minutes. Have you understood? So I hope you understood. So in the next class, let us learn still more. So thank you so much for watching the video.